you in court. Sabandla! Secretary General Marshall Dlamini.
Amandla! Viva EFF, viva! Viva EFF, viva! Down with VAT, down! Down with VAT, down! Thank you very much, DSG. Greetings to the President, the leadership and the ground forces of our movement here in Tshwane. President, we are coming here to celebrate victory because we have managed to drop this VAT down. But President, the ultimate victory for the economic freedom fighters is the return of our land. That is where we will stop fighting. This is just a small victory. We want our land back. So this Expropriation Act of 2024 that was signed by Ramaphosa, that is irritating Donald Trump, it's not the one. Because that Expropriation Act, it's saying it's in line with Section 25 of the Constitution. That Section 25 of the Constitution, it says land must be expropriated, but up to 1913. By 1913, racists and white people, they already took 93% of the land, and blacks were left with only 7%. So this Expropriation Act, Section 25, all of them, they must fall. We want expropriation of land without compensation to be under the custodian of the state. So fighters of Tshwane, fighters of Mamelodi, Soshanguve, Atteridgeville, the message is clear. When you see any unoccupied land, go and occupy that land until all our land has been returned back to the owners of our land. Amanda! Amanda! Viva EFF, viva! Viva EFF, viva! Amanda!
Long live the Secretary General Marshall Dlamini, long live. And our Deputy President, who is also the head of the GTU, Commissar Gottfried Gadi.
Thank you very much, TSG. Greetings to our President, the officials, the ground forces and our public representatives, the voters and members of the community with us here today. We hope, President, this rally, this march is being carried live by the media. We hope Donald Trump can see that we are seated next to a white lady. There is no genocide in South Africa against the whites. So this is a living proof which we must tell